Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about working with packages. R packages contain functions, datasets, and documentation that expand the capabilities of base R. By using packages, users can efficiently carry out diverse tasks in R, like data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. For instance, the tidyverse package in R consists of several packages that offer tools for data cleaning, visualization, and transformation. These packages streamline data analysis tasks, making it easier for R users to work with their data effectively. To install a package in R, you utilize the install.packages function. This function is followed by the name of the package you wish to install enclosed in quotation marks. For instance, to install the package dplyr, you would execute install.packages dplyr. This command prompts R to download the package dplyr from the relevant repository and install it on your system, making it available for use in your R scripts or projects. To utilize a package in R after installation, the library function should be used. This function allows the R session to access the functions and features provided by the installed package. For instance, after installing the dplyr package, the command library dplyr will enable you to use the functionalities offered by the dplyr package within your current R session. When a package is loaded in R, its functions can be accessed and utilized by directly calling them in the script. For instance, the filter function from the dplyr package can be used to filter data based on specific conditions. An example of this is dplyr filter data column equals value, where data is the data set, column is the variable to filter, and value is the value to filter by. By specifying these parameters, the filter function extracts the rows from the data set where the specified condition is met. The dplyr package in R is widely used for data manipulation tasks. It provides functions like filter for subsetting data based on conditions and summarize for creating summary statistics. In the given example code, the library is loaded first. Then, filter function is applied to subset observations where a specific column equals a certain value. Finally, summarize is used to calculate the mean of the filtered data and store it in a new data frame. This demonstrates how dplyr streamlines data processing by chaining operations together efficiently. An analogy for working with packages is like receiving a package in the mail. Just like how a package contains different items, a software package contains code and resources. You can choose to keep the items in the package as they are or modify them to suit your needs. When working with software packages, you can import and use specific functionalities in your program, just like using items from a package. Similarly, just like how you can send packages to others, you can also share your code with others by using packages and libraries in programming. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. This code demonstrates the process of working with packages in R, which are like receiving a package in the mail containing functions and resources to be used in programs. To begin, you need to install a package using install.packages package name. In this example, the ggplot2 package is installed for data visualization. Once installed, you load the package into your working environment with library package name. This enables you to access and use the functions and features of the package. In the code, the ggplot2 functions are used to create a scatter plot with the geom_point function. By customizing the function parameters, such as changing the color of the points to red in this case, you can modify the package contents to suit your needs. Furthermore, like sending a package to someone, you can share your code by creating custom functions and packaging them as a new R package. Others can then install and use your package, following similar steps to install and load it. This narrative illustrates how working with packages in R is akin to receiving, unpacking, utilizing, and customizing a package from the mail, making it a powerful tool for sharing and utilizing code in a structured and efficient manner. One industrial application of working with packages in R can be seen in the field of finance. Financial analysts often rely on various R packages like QuantMod, dplyr, and ggplot2 to analyze market trends, conduct portfolio optimization, and create visualizations for presenting insights to clients and stakeholders. Another real-world example can be found in the realm of bioinformatics. Researchers and scientists in this field utilize R packages such as Bioconductor, phyloseq, and FeatMap to analyze genomic data, conduct differential gene expression analysis, and create heat maps to visualize complex biological relationships. Working with packages in R streamlines workflows, enhances the reproducibility of analyses, and allows professionals across diverse industries to leverage the power of community-contributed tools and resources for their specific needs. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.